Imagine you become an overnight millionaire by taking our course worth $997 and you become overnight millionaire. Now listen to me carefully, this is not truth. Even it's overday people work hard all the day but never even get more than $400. Why? Cause in this world there's so much fucking players who are playing maybe better than you. You have to stand out, you have to work hard, but in the right way. I can help you. Go outside, get a job, start dropshipping, find a winning product, make a good store, then just promote it organically. How? Just repost other content, but on other platforms. Like you take video from TikTok, then you have to upload on Insta, kind of like that. You can just make a couple of $1,000s here and then you can invest in fucking crypto or day trading and then double your money, or simple just reinvest that money in the dropshipping. Not all money, just invest 40% of your profit, then you'll make more and then you'll easily become rich, but not overnight. It will take time. Maybe you'll be working on wrong time. I tried all these and make more than $50,000 and you can make it too. Make sure to like and subscribe if you like the video.